This is the Eero Pro 7. Eero says it's the next-gen mesh that turns Wi-Fi into lightning-fast, invisible coverage. But after using it for weeks, I found a faster, smoother network and a few things they don't tell you in their ads. So, in today's video, I'll tell you whether the Eero Pro 7 really lives up to the hype or falls short. Eero Pro 7 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Eero Pro 7 is Amazon's latest tri-band mesh router launched around February 2025 and priced from about $299 for a single unit or $699 for a 3-pack. It's designed for households with heavy streaming, gaming, or multi-gigabit plans, that multi-streaming household, as some outlets cheekily put it. Its key selling point? A Wi-Fi 7 spec with 5 gigabits wired ports and faster wireless bands, promising a noticeable leap over Wi-Fi 6E. Eero Pro 7 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does this actually perform? In real life, it's impressively fast. Gizmodo clocked downloads at over 2 gigabits from just a few feet away using the 6 gigahertz band, and that was limited by their wired 2.5 Gbps USB-C adapter, not the Eero itself. Even in tough spots, my test's equivalent of plaster walls in a bathroom, Wi-Fi 7 pulled a solid 355 megabits per second, nearly double what Wi-Fi 5 managed. Mesh backhaul? Also smooth. Even with just the main unit, they got close to their 600 megabit spectrum line's full speed. So if your ISP or your plan isn't slowing things down, the Eero keeps up, or even tops it. That said, if you roam with Wi-Fi 7 devices, Gizmodo noticed occasionally the device stuck to the main router, slowing performance a bit until you moved closer to a node. Features and tech. Wi-Fi 7 with 320 MHz 6 GHz and 240 MHz 5 GHz channels. That's basically doubling the data pipe compared to older routers. It means faster downloads and lower latency, great for 4K streaming or big file transfers. Dual 5 GHz Ethernet ports. Unlike the Pro 6e that had one slower port, the Pro 7 gives you 2 full-speed wired ports, solid if you want to plug in a gaming PC or NAS directly. Smart Home Hub. Zigbee, Thread, Matter. You get built-in support for your smart lights or sensors. It works mostly under Alexa, but it's nice not having to add a separate hub. Design and build. Eero stuck to its sleek, minimalist vibe, but switched designs. The Pro 7 stands upright now, rather than squatting flat, kind of like a modern sculpture, which keeps your coffee table less cluttered. It's fanless, quiet, with subtle venting on top. Aesthetics-wise, it fits right into your living room. Matte white rounds with no antennae, so it looks more like decor than a router. On the downside, no flashy metal chassis or cooling fans, so you won't feel industrial grade, but it stays cool and silent during use. Pros. Super simple swap-in setup via slick mobile app. Blazing real-world speeds, especially with Wi-Fi 7 hardware. Solid coverage, roughly 2,000 square feet per unit, and stable mesh performance. 5 GB Ethernet ports for future-proofed wired devices. Doubles as a smart home hub, Thread, Matter, Zigbee, without extra gear. Cons. Bare bones for power users, no SSID per band, no advanced routing or VLAN tweaking. Just 2 Ethernet ports, limits if you need wired expansibility. Hidden privacy concerns for some. Eero's data handling style raises eyebrows on Reddit. Final verdict. So, who's this for, and is it worth your money? If you've got a fast internet plan, think gigabit or more, multiple 4K streams, gaming, or work-from-home demands, and want to set it and forget it setup, the Eero Pro 7 is a smart, future-proof investment. It's fast, reliable, and it just works. But if your plan is under 500 megabits or you enjoy tinkering with advanced network settings, you might not need the power or pay for it. In that case, the cheaper Eero models or even a polished Wi-Fi 6E mesh might do the job.